Hello everyone. In this video, I want to help you improve your vocabulary when talking about animals. I'm going to show you pictures of animals with vocabulary words beside them. And underneath, I'm going to show you sentences demonstrating how to use these words. Here's the first picture. On the side, you can see the following words: gazelle, wildebeest, herds, predator, savanna, mammals, fascinating. Maybe you know some of those words already, but I will go through and make a sentence with each word to demonstrate how to use it. Gazelle and wildebeest are two of the animals in the picture. So I can say, in this picture, I can see many gazelle and wildebeest. Instead of many, we can use the word herds, because a herd is a group of mammals. I can say, I can see herds of gazelle and wildebeest. We also see a lion, and that is a predator. A predator, it's a kind of animal which hunts and kills other animals. So we can say that perhaps the herd of gazelle and wildebeest are afraid of the predator. The savanna, it's the ecosystem in which these animals live. So we can say, I can see giraffes, gazelle, and wildebeest in the savanna. And these are all mammals. So I can say, the savanna has many remarkable and fascinating mammals. I added fascinating on the end as an adjective. So let's try to use all of the words together. Watch this. The African savanna is a fascinating ecosystem, home to herds of mammals and solitary predators. This picture shows gazelle, wildebeest, giraffes, and a lion, all in close proximity to one another. So there you go. That's the first picture. I challenge you to write your own paragraph describing this picture using all the words. Picture number 2 shows a sea turtle. And the vocabulary are coral reef, biodiversity, shallow, clear, endangered, tropical, ecosystem. So a coral reef is the habitat in which this turtle lives. So I can say the coral reef is a beautiful habitat. And it's full of biodiversity. Biodiversity means that there is a wide variety of animals and plants in this area. It's diverse, biodiversity. And it's also the water in a coral reef. It's shallow, it's not deep. The opposite of deep is shallow, and it's clear. We can see through it. So I can put all these words together. I can say coral reef has shallow, clear water and is home to a lot of biodiversity. Talking about the sea turtle, it's not a dangerous animal, it's an endangered animal. Endangered means that the animal is at risk of going extinct. There's not that many of them in the world right now because they're dying due to hunting or habitat destruction. So we can say, sadly, the beautiful sea turtle is an endangered species. Another adjective here, tropical. This is to describe something which is related to the tropics, the middle of the world, near the equator. Places like Indonesia or Jamaica, tropical. And last, ecosystem. These are things like forests, deserts, mountains, and yes, coral reefs. The coral reef is a beautiful ecosystem. So we're starting to see how to put these words together. Now let's see the whole paragraph. This ecosystem is called a coral reef, and it is found in shallow tropical waters. Coral reefs are characterized by clear water and high biodiversity. This sea turtle is an impressive animal, and we should protect them because they are endangered. All right, your second challenge. Write a paragraph about this picture using all the words. There's one more picture in this lesson, and this animal, I'm sure you've seen it before, but you might not know the English name. It's lemur. This is a lemur. And it's not common to see a lemur. You don't see lemurs often, so it is rare. So I can put those two words together. Here we see a rare animal, the lemur. Of course, it lives in Madagascar, and it only lives in Madagascar. So there's an adjective for that, endemic. Endemic means an animal or a plant which is only found in one country or region. So I can say the lemur is endemic to Madagascar. Jungle. That's the ecosystem for this beautiful lemur. The lemur lives in the jungle. Many people think a lemur is like a monkey, but I've watched like documentaries and nature shows which say it's not really closely related to a monkey. So we could say the lemur is a very unique animal. Unique meaning special, different, unique. And fur. So human beings, we have hair, but dogs, monkeys, they don't have hair really, they have fur. So I can say the lemur has gray fur. Let's see it all together. The lemur is endemic to Madagascar. This rare creature lives in the unique jungle environment of the African island nation. This species of lemur has gray and white fur with a black and white striped tail. Okay, so I hope this vocabulary can help you talk about animals. So your challenge can be try to use all of these words to describe the picture or use them in a different context.